Hi, I'm Jeff Ferdine and this is Dave Gunnarsson. Welcome to our third annual Minnewaska Classics Car Show held in Starbuck, Minnesota. Today we're down at the Precision Auto Body and Frame Body Shop owned by Chris Tafe. He's one of our local sponsors and does work in between regular cars on customs and street rods and whatever might come in. So right now what we're going to basically do is walk into the shop and see what he's got going in here. His garage doors work good. Okay, off to the left we've got a 1967 Dodge Coronet. That's a full restore job Chris is working on. He's done all the metal work and almost rebuilt the whole entire car. It's going to be an excellent on-the-road car when he gets done. So we're going to hope to see that soon. On my right we got a 1956 Chevrolet that was a partial restoration, and Chris really has got this completed and it's ready to roll out of the shop. So as you can see, Chris is one of our sponsors, does a lot of work and good work. So if you're interested in coming down to or have a car done or looked at, then come on down and talk to Chris. He'll treat you right. Now Dave is going to talk about some of the details of our August 3rd car show.
Yes, I hope you all can make it to our car show. It's held August 3rd, 9 o'clock in the morning. The gates open. The show goes from 10 until 2. We got 14 different plaques and the best of show. Plenty of food, plenty of shade, plenty of fun and good time. And we really enjoyed everybody that's been at the show, so we hope you all can make it again. And we're looking forward to seeing you.
And just to add something to that before we close out, we got music going all day too, or at least the 4 hours, by C&M Rock out of Benson. So they'll be there bright and early, so we'll have plenty of music as well. So we hope to see you at the show. Dave and I will be there bright and early, ready to greet you.
Thank you.
Nothing but winners, now you losers scram. Got no time for tests or a school book exam. All the kids know we're the coolest around, cause we've got the best rods in any town. Now early in the morning we go screaming by, loaded up with chicks in front of Hot Rod High. We're gonna tack it up in the parking lot, cause a quick half hour is all we got. When the lunch bell rings now we're gonna split, cause all we care about is the shifting bit. Now about winners, now you losers scram at Hot Rod High. Well, we got the wildest customs you'll ever see, from a little deuce scoop to a bucket tea. Now little street roasters always get the eye, and the work is such a drag down at Hot Rod High. We're gonna tack it up in the parking lot, cause a quick half hour is all we got. When the lunch bell rings, now we're gonna split, cause all we care about is the shifting bit. All about winners, now you losers scram at Hot Rod High. Durham last breed, now the minutes seem long. When the final bell rings, the tracks are on, now engines screaming. You can see the dirt fly, kids learn, and the tires burn down at Hot Rod High. We're gonna tack it up in the parking lot, cause a quick half hour is all we got. When the lunch bell rings, now we're gonna split, cause all we care about is the chicken bit. Nothing but winners, now you losers scram at Hot Rod High. Well, well, nothing but winners, now you losers scram. Got no time for tests or a school exam. Nothing but winners, now you losers scram. Got no time for tests or a school exam. Yeah, nothing but winners, now you losers scram. Got no time for tests
my baby be? The Lord took her away from me. She's gone to heaven, so I got to be good, so I can see my baby when I leave this world. We were out on a date in my daddy's car. We hadn't driven very far. There in the road, straight ahead, the car was stalled, the engine was dead. I couldn't stop, so I swerved to the right. I'll never forget the sound that night, the crying tires, the busting glass, the painful scream that I heard last. Well, where, oh, where can my baby be? The Lord took her away from me. She's gone to heaven, so I got to be good, so I can see my baby when I leave this world. Well, when I woke up, the rain was pouring down. There were people standing all around. Something warm running in my eyes, but I found my baby somehow that night. I raised her head and then she smiled and said, hold me, darling, for a little while. I held her close, I kissed her our last kiss. I found a love that I knew I would miss, but now she's gone. Even though I hold her tight, I lost my love, my life that night. Well, where, oh, where can my baby be? The Lord took her away from me. She's gone to heaven, so I got to be good, so I can see my baby when I leave